females. I don't think they swarmed or anything like a virgin swarm. I haven't seen anything in the trees. Oh, I guess I should have looked. I should have looked in the trees, because there it is. Crap.
No, this is crazy. Don't fall.
Get a hold of me? Yeah, I can't see.
Is it in the bucket?
I got some. Oh crap. Okay. Let's see if we can get him in here. A little bit up in the tree, but there's some girls up here fanning, getting their butts in the air, hopefully telling everybody up there to come on down here. Got me?
Yeah.
All right, we got just about all of them. You know, hopefully we got the queen. There's a lot of fanning going on. A lot of butts in the air. Hopefully they'll calm down.